How to bold text in Adobe Photoshop. So to bold text in Adobe Photoshop, you have several methods, whether you want to do it online or just on a typical, Photoshop website or software. So to do this, you have to open this character palette here. Go to this Windows menu and select character. Now on the left side, you will see a lot of options, right? So you can see here, this is a type. So usually just go and click on type here. And for example, I want to add a text here. So I'll just go and click on add a heading, a normal one, right? So this is it. Now here, you can see here the text is already in bold, right? So let me just guys remove it. So I can show you properly, right? Add a text here. Now this is not in bold, right? So let me just, increase the size. Now here, this is a text. I will click on it. And as you can see here on the layers, it is selected my text layer. I will select all and I can press in my keyboard Ctrl plus B to make it bold, right? So this is a way which you can do it. It's really easy. And you can always increase the size here. For example, let's say I want to go to the 36, right? And in this way, for example, let me just get it back, and here I can just change the color and everything, right? And here in the three dots, you can just go and select, this is a bold one, so I will just click on it and it will get bold, right? I want italic, so I can turn it bold italic, right? This is underlined. So this is how we can just bold our text in Photoshop. Thanks for watching.